If you make wigs or crochet styles, this is the one tool that you must start with. Remember, it all starts with a great foundation. I've used wig caps like this for years in my salon, behind the salon chair, and in my classes. And I always go back to this type of cap. Why? It's because it's stretchy and it fits mostly everyone's head size. I also like it's because of the woven material throughout all those little extra crosses or squares or whatever you want to call it gives you the opportunity to stitch on. When they're too wide apart, it doesn't allow you a lot of stitching. And let's talk about the breathability. That is very important. Anytime when you're wearing a wig or whatever, it can get very hot. So having these holes makes for great breathability. The band is very stretchable and it doesn't leave an indentation. And you can also stitch on the band as well. And the black color blends with most wigs. You can also use this on canvas blocks or dummy heads, along with using it on the customer's heads or yourself while making a wig. Now, you don't only have to make a wig with this. This can be used as a wig liner underneath your wigs as well. The reason why you would want a wig liner is because it allows the wig to lay smoothly on your head and it keeps your natural hair in place. If you find that this is a little too big for the head or the canvas that you're working on, you can always take the excess and sew it in place. That way it will comfortably fit the head of hair or the canvas. And remember, the smoother you make the foundation or lay the foundation in place without lumps and bumps will make for a better placement of your wig cap. So if you are a wig maker or someone who wants to make crochet styles or somebody who's just looking for a wig liner to keep your wig in place, this is a great option. This is made of high quality, is washable and reusable. This has been always a great find and a staple in a lot of salons for wig making and more.